Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I went from 0 to 100. I don't know who would ever call themselves a zero though. That's a trend going on YouTube for the past year or so I thought I would hop on, and I'm proud of myself because I actually had enough battery and memory and time to film this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. This is the hair I am wearing. I literally just cut the lace and popped it on. I kind of wish I had a different color, but this will do. I feel like my lips look super dry, so I'm actually gonna put on some lip gloss. I was gonna do red, but I think I kind of want to like neutral this look out, make it look a little warmer. Okay, it still looks red. This is raspberry jojoba. I'll put it on the screen, but this is by NYX. It's one of their butter glosses. So this is my look, super natural and simple holiday look. I don't feel like we get a lot of those on YouTube. I just have this dress from Fashion Nova, and yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I hope this was easy to follow, and I will see you guys in the next video.